Littlest Girl. Join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, gear and equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding!
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl, and thank you everyone for joining us here on Exploring It All. So today we are going to be looking at a limited edition, I'm not going to say rare, but it is a limited edition Swiss Army knife. And I ordered this particular one from a store called the Swiss Army Knife Store. You can also order it directly from Victorinox, and they'll ship it if you're in the U.S. from Canada, or not Canada. They'll ship it from Connecticut. So this is a limited edition Swiss Spirit Cadet, which is one of the 84 millimeter knives. And let's take a look at this and see what we got. These limited edition ones, and you can see it says 2022, and it has this image on here and on there. Sorry. Has this image on there. See it down here as well. Anyway, there's nothing on the box that's telling here, so we're going to set these items aside a little bit. So this is the card, and the card reads, "Congratulations, you own a Swiss Spirit Limited Edition 2022. This is one of just 12,000 pocket knives inspired by the famous sights of Switzerland. The design on the pocket knife shows some legendary spots in fine 3D black haptic lines on a white background from Luzern's Kalbrick to Geneva Jetée, from the Sphinx Observatory at the top of Europe on Jungfrau to the Glasmuster in Zurich." I'm sorry I'm butchering some of those names. They are all dedicated to the Swiss Spirit 2022. The special pocket knife is dedicated to the beautiful sights of Switzerland. Carry it with you in a unique urban. It's a unique urban piece of Swissness. And then in the back, it's written in another language, and it may be German. I don't know. I can't tell for sure. Anyway, if you want to pause or something, that is the card. So here is the knife. I'm going to assume there's nothing else in the box. And this is your standard literature pamphlet that tells you how to use the can opener and how to clean it. Literally, that's all this thing really tells you. And I folded it up wrong. So here is the knife. This is raised. It's really pretty. I'm very glad I got this. And here is the back side. And in the literature, it was talking about the different names of these landmarks. I think, you know, this is a really pretty knife. I have to say I really like it. So this is the Cadet, and the Cadet is an 84 millimeter Swiss Army knife. The key ring is part of the liner. You got the little liner. Now they've added the black toothpick. You can buy some of these colorized tools, and they've started incorporating them into their special editions. And then the tweezers are black tipped. I believe they use these in the black onyx Spartan as well. Anyway, that's really nice. So our tool set is going to consist of the can opener. I use my Swiss Army knife can opener. I noticed how sharp this is compared to the Champion C I recently reviewed. So we have a cap lifter bottle opener, and this does have a 90-degree stop. It's still coarse inside there. You got your screwdriver. Next up, you have a nail file. Instead of the small blade on this model, you get a nail file, and this side is smooth, but you do get a nail file. And then, of course, your main item here is your main blade. On this side, you have Officer Swiss. And on the other side, Victorinox stainless made, Swiss made stainless. So anyway, so that's a look at this Cadet limited edition Swiss Spirit. Overall, I think this is an awesome knife. I'm really enjoying getting. I've been able to get the limited editions now, and I'm really enjoying it. And this one is no exception. Anyway, guys, hit like, hit subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.